Multiprocessor systems use multiple processors that work together to perform tasks efficiently. Each processor usually has its own cache memory to store frequently used data and reduce access time to the main memory. However, having multiple caches creates a challenge known as cache coherence. Cache coherence ensures that all processors see the same and updated value of shared data at all times. For example, if one processor modifies a data value in its cache, the system must update or invalidate the same data stored in other processors' caches. This prevents processors from using outdated information. Cache coherence protocols, such as MESI, are used to maintain consistency across all caches. These protocols control how data is shared, updated, and synchronized. In summary, multiprocessor caches improve performance, while cache coherence ensures data correctness and reliable system operation. Multiprocessor caches play a crucial role in improving system performance. First, let's look at the performance challenge. Each processor core has its own cache memory that stores frequently used data locally. This dramatically speeds up memory access, reduces latency, and increases overall system throughput. However, this leads to a consistency problem. When multiple processors have their own independent caches, the same data may exist in several places at once. If one processor updates the data, other processors might still have outdated copies. This creates the challenge of keeping all data consistent across different cores. That is why cache coherence mechanisms are necessary to ensure every processor always sees the correct and updated values. In summary, multiprocessor caches boost performance, but maintaining consistency is essential for reliable system operation. Let us understand the cache coherence problem using a simple example. Initially, processor 1 reads a variable x from the main memory. The value of x is 24, and it stores this value in its local cache. At the same time, processor 2 also reads the same variable x and stores the value 24 in its own cache. Now, both processors have their own copy of x. Next, processor 1 updates the value of x in its cache. It changes x from 24 to 64. However, this update is only made in processor 1's cache. The problem occurs here. Processor 2 still sees the old value, x equals 24, because its cache was not updated. This creates an inconsistent view of memory, where different processors see different values for the same data. This example clearly shows why cache coherence mechanisms are necessary to maintain consistency across all processor caches. Cache coherence protocols are used to maintain consistency among multiple caches in a multiprocessor system. Let us first look at the MSI protocol. MSI stands for modified, shared, and invalid. In the modified state, the cache line has been changed and is owned exclusively by one processor. The main memory does not have the updated value. In the shared state, the cache line is clean and may exist in multiple caches. All processors see the same value. In the invalid state, the cache line is not valid and cannot be used. Now, let us move to the MESI protocol. MESI adds an extra state called exclusive to improve system performance. In the exclusive state, The cache line is clean and owned by only one processor. It can be modified without notifying other caches. This reduces unnecessary invalidations and lowers bus traffic, making the system more efficient. In summary, MSI and MESI protocols help maintain data consistency while improving performance in multiprocessor systems. This diagram represents the cache coherence states used in multiprocessor systems. Let's start with the modified state. In this state, the cache line has been changed by one processor and exists only in its cache. Main memory does not have the updated value. Next is the exclusive state. Here, the data is present in only one cache, but it is still clean, meaning it matches main memory. The processor can modify it without informing others. Now, the shared state. In this case, multiple processors may hold the same data in their caches. The data is clean and identical across all caches. Finally, we have the invalid state. This means the cache line is not valid and cannot be used by the processor. The arrows in the diagram show how cache lines move between these states based on read and write operations. This state transition mechanism ensures all processors see consistent data, which maintains cache coherence in the system. This slide compares snooping protocols and directory-based protocols used to maintain cache coherence. First, snooping protocols. In this approach, all caches continuously monitor a shared bus for read and write operations. Each cache snoops on bus transactions to check if the data it holds is affected. Snooping protocols are mainly used in bus-based multiprocessor systems, where all processors share a common communication bus. Now, directory-based protocols. Here, a centralized directory keeps track of which caches hold copies of each data block. Instead of broadcasting messages to all caches, the system sends targeted messages only to the processors that actually store the data. This makes directory-based protocols highly scalable for large systems that do not use a shared bus. They avoid broadcast overhead, but require additional memory and management to maintain the directory information. In summary, snooping is simple but less scalable, while directory-based protocols are more efficient for large systems. Cache coherence is critical for the reliable operation of multiprocessor systems. First, data integrity. Cache coherence prevents data corruption and unpredictable program behavior. Without it, debugging parallel programs would become extremely difficult and unreliable. Next, scalable performance. Cache coherence allows processor cores to work independently while still maintaining correctness. This enables high-performance multiprocessing that scales efficiently as more cores are added. Finally, it forms the foundation of modern computing. Cache coherence is essential for multi-core CPUs, parallel computing frameworks, and distributed systems we use today. In conclusion, cache coherence ensures correctness, performance, and reliability in modern computing systems. Multiprocessor caches are at the heart of reliable and high-performance computing systems. First, the performance boost. Each processor core has its own local cache which allows it to access frequently used data quickly. This significantly reduces memory access time and dramatically improves overall system speed. However, this leads to the consistency challenge. Because multiple caches store copies of the same data, there is a risk of inconsistency between processors. If not managed properly, this can result in incorrect program execution. Therefore, cache coherence mechanisms are essential. They ensure that all processors always see the most recent and correct version of data. In summary, multiprocessor caches deliver high performance, while cache coherence guarantees correctness, making them the foundation of reliable multiprocessing.